Tiếng sau bài phí sẽ cái chính hikai hello cái LibreOffice Impress viewing a presentation. Hakani cái chính hikai insert tip shapang cái view options but cái chính don cam jong key but master pages. Hang ni ni pendon cam the Ubuntu Linux 10.04 và LibreOffice Suite version 3.3.4. Nang kong tung in play cái presentation sample impress tak banyan arsen haka. LibreOffice Impress udon bontili ki view options banyarab yepi banshna ek presentation babha. Nakabanangkong habapis dang yaw LibreOffice Impress pinyo I baulong kumne. Kani ki khot ka normal view. Lada ka presentation ka don hakaway pat ka view. Pila banlik pai siya ka normal view takabanyan haka normal tab. Lani takabanyan haka view ba normal. Haka normal view, pila banshna open page slides. Kung kanuksa, nila ban kaliang yaka design jongki slides. Ban lay yakani, lay shaka slide title overview. Nakaliang kaman, haka task pane, master pages section, hapo use in this presentation. Nila ban yoi, yaki slide design, kide PRS strategy. Hapo kani, nila ban yoi, recently used but available for use slide designs. Nyan hakano kano ka baphiman. Da page ya kijingkala haka slide design haka workspace pane. Page umno ka suk ban kaliang ya ka slide design. Phila ro ban at ya ki designs pa phila shna kum ki background na banta ki slides chong phi. Hadin ninya page ya ki outline view. Phila ban le shakani ka view. Let's say da ka banyan haka view but outline. Lani da ka banyan haka outline tab. Hakani ka view, pila ban yoi bagi slides, lapan page iwe harum jong iwe, kung ki table of contents. Kini hang ni, kide ki slide headings. Da page bagi slide heading, overview, kila sya highlight. Kani ka day namar, bangila don haka overview slide, habangi jade ya ka outline tab. Pila ban yoi, bagi ni ki icons, kilong dur, kung ki bullet points. Nada pipen ki yaw mouse, Halor kini ki bullet points, cursor ukala hakadukti. Nilaban penkendria yakini ki line items, sharum sheneng, khnamban penbe yaki hapok ka slide. Lani shakaliang ki slides. Tungin undo yakini ki jimpen kala, takaba press, control but Z, khnamba ka presentation jongi, kan pao hakarukom, umbakalong. Ni pendan kam yaka slide sorter view, ban penbe yaki slides. Nilaban poi shaka slide sorter view, takabanyan haka view, at slide sorter. Lani takabanyan haka slide sorter tab. Kani ka view, kadonkam ban wad yaki slides haka rukom kapangimon. Kum kanuksa, ban penkaliang yaki slide number handai, bat shifau, nyan haka slide number shifau, bat ra yaka slides, hashwa ka slide number handai. Manta, pelai your mouse button, di slide kila sya penkaliang. Haka notes view, pila ban tho yaki notes, ki ban yarab yapi haka power ka presentation jongpi. Ban late shaka notes view, nyan haka view, but haka notes page. Pila ro ban nyan, haka notes tab. Jade yaka slide development up to present, naka slides pane. Type kato ka ni ki dak, haka banta ka notes. Haka power wapani yaki slides jongpi hau projector, pidang la ban yoi, yaki jingtho jongpi haka monitor tangba ki wepat kim yoi. Manta tungin nyan haka normal tab. Nilaban penkala yaka layout jong ka presentation haka task pane layout section haka man. Man penni leni bore yaka task pane. Nyan haka view pa task pane. Kani kan le se penni leni bore yaka task pane. Tungin pendan kam yaka layout section ban penkala yaki layout jong ka slide. Jade yaka slide by kateng development up to present. Naka layout section. Jade title content over content. Kani ka penkala yaka layout jong ka slide. Kani ka yalam yangi syaka bakut jong ka jinghikai. Ban batai lengkot nila nang yaka view options at ki jingdon kam jong ki pat master pages. Persyang kani ka comprehension test assignment. Shna yaka presentation bathamai. Shna yaka master taka dark blue background but light blue title area. Pe ya ka video bala banyo na kani ka link harom. Ka batalang kot ya ka spoken tutorial project. Lada pimpadon ya ki internet ka bastel hilap and download bat page. Ka spoken tutorial project team ka panlo workshop lang ba ka spoken tutorials. But I certificate ya ki ba pass ya ka online test. Ya ki jingbanya ba khambon sembha tho sha ka contact at spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project kadika banta jong ka Talk to a Teacher project. Lakarshan daga National Mission on Education lang baga ICT, MHRD, at Sarkar India. Khambon ki jingtip halo kanika mission laban yo naga spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Kanika jinghikai la asam bha daw thawlat miki khublei na banta ba isno lang.